All right, so I hit the wrong button on the recorder, so this will be part two. Sort of like came back down, we came right back up again. This is where we want to be above here, which is good. Looks like there's a little turbulence within these last 10 minutes, but primarily buying, which is good. We're still bullish compared to this candle, even though we have a red candle, we're 50%. We haven't hit below 50% of this candle. This is a bullish candle. This is considered a bullish candle, even though it's, sellers, you know, printed sellers were in control. A little bit of selling here, but this candle here was primarily green, and now we're coming through. So there's your pullback, which isn't a pullback, uh, a normal pullback. So I think we could come back down a little bit more. Really haven't pulled back from this range here. So I'm expecting a pullback at a certain point. In the earlier video, I said that we did close um, below this gap, which was good, which gave us a push up. No gap here, which is good. We just need to come above here. Maybe if we could hit this, we go to the top right here. I'd like to maybe take a little bit of profit off of the table. We could just break this high. So we'll see. Let me put you on pause and we'll come back. All right, so if we take a look at this candle and we take a look at this candle, the high here and then the low, kind of got a little lower here. All right, so this is pretty much, we had some sellers come back in here, and this could be a liquidity pull. So we need to actually come above here, above these two little candle wicks, all right, and close above that for a push up. Other than that, we're just going to be in this little range, and I'm not going to be sitting here all day waiting for a move up or down. It's going to take the profit and move on. All right. So let's see how this plays out. I'm on a 5-minute candle. You want to take a look what the 15-minute candle looks like? It looks like this. We haven't made a higher high. It's actually lower. We need to make a little higher here. Then I'll be back in. I'll stay in, which looks like we may. All right. So we still haven't hit the high here. All right. So we did have to hit the high. So what I'm expecting now is just maybe a move, maybe just a little higher. So we're going to go to the 5-minute candle. So at the 50% mark, and what I'll basically do is I'll take a Fibonacci and I'll go from my entry up to here. And at the 50% mark, I'll take off 75%, which we're there. So let's go ahead here. And let's say partial close, 75%. All right. At this point here is where I would love to see some order flow, because I'd be in or out of this, and the order flow would tell me exactly where to go. But right now, it looks like we're making, let's go to a 30-minute and see where we're at. There's nothing there. Let's go to one day. All right, so we're right here. I'm expecting maybe we'll move, maybe we'll look at something like this. We'll just keep it there and see what we do. And I will do a break-even exit here. And this is only going to be, actually it doesn't even pay, it's only one tick. That's actually the spread. That's why it's not letting me go bring it down anymore. Oh, not letting me even do that either. There you go. We'll do that. Look a pretty decent candle here. Let's go back to the 15-minute. I got a new candle, 5-minute candle. I'm going to switch to the 1-minute. See if we can get out of here pretty quick. See what goes on. There looks like a little bit of a gap here. I don't want to let it go below there. I'm just going to close it out. All right, so we did pretty good on this trade, actually. Here's a $50 trade. So I'll take it. Not bad. Not a bad trade. All right, that's about it. If you guys like this kind of content, please like, subscribe, share, comment. This is part 2. If that thing or the other one, but you got the full trade in here. Yeah, got any questions on my trading strategies or whatnot, whether it's order flow with futures, which I have, YouTube channel. They have over 300 order flow. As I see it, real trading. Okay. So if you like that kind of stuff, definitely every video is unique. As far as the forex stuff, I got into this pretty much because liquidity is, and I've been doing forex for a while. And on my free Discord, I have a bunch of these videos as well that I haven't posted to YouTube that are on there. So if you want to know more information about that, or even just to join the Discord, there's a free Discord, and anybody could go in there. Well, I have to approve you. There's a couple of questions. This way, you're not a robot, and I'm expecting everybody to participate. We have futures, and we have forex, even stocks if you want. I have different chat rooms if you guys want to talk it out or whatever, or just PM me or direct message me. But I'm usually in the chat room when I'm trading. All right, so that's about it. All right, see you on the next one.